Hi everyone, in this video I show you step by step how you can utilize a multisim live functionality on your any kind of browser. So it is very easy. It's only the two-step functionalities where you simply create account and then you access the multisim live. So it's very easy for anyone to to create a circuit on a multisim. So let's start this video and I show you step by step. You need to be write down the multisim on any kind of browser which you are using, and then scroll down and search for this multisim live. It is www.multisim.com original website, and you need to be click on it. So in the description I must put this link, so you just be click on it and then you are in that. So now first of all we need to be create the account. So click on this sign up button. Now here we need to be accept all kind of cookies, and after that we need to be put these details: first name, last name, email, password. Repeat the password, and then we need to be tick mark on both, and then verifying we are human, and then sign up. So I quickly do it. And there is the other methods also with GitHub, with Facebook, and with Google. You can also do it. You also like easily can be verify you or create account. So now I use a Google for verification. It's easy and fast method. So after that I show you the next step. Now here we need to be click on I agree and keep me up to date, and then continue. We are signed up right now, and that is our profile. Account access level is free, expiring date is known, premium activation no, and if we have any kind of serial number then we can upgrade it into the premium one, and these are the plans for the premium. But in the basics we have these kind of free options, but when we apply for standard, buy a standard, then we have these kind of features, and if you buy premium then you utilize these features. How you can use the multisim live? That's very easy. You need to be click on this circuit option, and here my circuits. Okay, then you landed on this page. This is the page where your previous circuits are present there, but right now because that's the fresh account, then you need to be click on this one, create your first circuit, and then your live multisim is launched. Okay, that is the basic tier, and that's the live multisim which we can be utilized. Okay, now we can be choose the components from here, and then we can be see the graph split there where here you see the graph and data, and there the circuit, and that's the schematic. Here we change the settings. Okay, and now that's the full for full screen, and we can easily utilize their live multisim. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe this SCHEMATIC channel and like this video. And here is the download and install the multisim on your PC and laptop 2025, and that's the offline method how you can download that software. That is the complete video which I created 8 hours ago, so you can see it on my channel. Come in on my channel and then see this video, and that's offline method. In this video I show you the online method. Okay, and there are also bunch of informative videos you can downloading and the related stuff, mostly how you can download the different important simulation softwares. So if you find this channel, please subscribe, like and share with your friend this relevant video.